Among green areas, lakes and tree-lined paths lie São Lourenço Park, one of Curitiba's most traditional natural retreats in the state of Paraná, Brazil. Created from the recovery of a former industrial area, the park now offers spaces for leisure, relaxation, and connection with nature within the city. Walking along its trails reveals a peaceful landscape by the Belém River, where nature and urban life meet. The park is also home to the Paranista Memorial, a cultural space dedicated to the artistic identity of Paraná. Monumental outdoor sculptures and contemporary architecture transform the visit into an experience where art and nature coexist. On weekends, the park becomes even more vibrant. Families, cyclists, runners, and groups of friends gather across the lawns and trails, turning the space into a lively meeting point for leisure and outdoor activities. Between open lawns, water features, and works of art, visitors find the perfect place to relax and enjoy the scenery. São Lourenço Park in Curitiba, Paraná, Brazil, where nature and culture come together.